Now that we have a few objects, we'll go back to explaining the fill and the stroke. Like I said, Illustrator thinks in fill and stroke, or stroke and fill, stroke being the outside line and the fill being the inside line. So if we select this object, please note that the anchors and all that stuff pop up. We could change the stroke. Let's change the stroke size to maybe 5 points. Please note that the line became like a thicker line weight, right? Okay. If we select this again, we could also change the color of the fill. So now we have a stroke of 5 points and the color fill of red. Let's move this guy over on, click and kind of hold on to an edge somewhere and put it over this other area. Alright, so now you kind of see this stroke as the, what was it, 1 point, but this is actually drawn with a white fill. So since this object is on top, it is kind of obscuring the red over here. Okay, so we draw a third box. If you haven't, draw any size box that you want and move that over on top. And please note that this white has obscured this white over here, right? If we change this thing so that the fill is, let's say, this white with this red cross in it, that is basically your no fill. So if we select that as the fill, it's basically you're seeing right through. So there's no fill, so that you're seeing right through this this area. So all you have is the line, and that's what it is. If you want to change the color size or color of the fill for the other stuff, you can go ahead. You could change the points as well. And that's that. We kind of messed with the profile right here. So if we take this object right here and say the profile is, let's say, this width profile, now it looks a little bit strange. Or you could hit this one, looks kind of the same, I guess, or this one and such. If you take this guy, oops, let's select it, oops, select it and change the stroke. You could turn it into like this sketchy thing right here, but I really don't like it anyway. A lot of people have tried to draw a drawing and then kind of make it into this sketch type line type, and it kind of looks like you drew it with a really rough graphite things. But the thing is, if you don't know how to use this and you don't change each of these line weights and stuff, it looks very mechanical and starts to look a little fake. So do be careful about using this thing. Okay.